What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a three-way Antutu benchmark comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the Asus Rog Phone 2. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has the Exynos 9825 CPU and 12GB of RAM. The iPhone 11 Pro has the A13 Bionic and 4GB of RAM. And the Asus Rog Phone 2 has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and 8GB of RAM, as it is the Tencent model. The Rog Phone 2 is the cheapest of the three, as it is the Tencent model, followed by the Galaxy Note 10 Plus unless you get the 5G model, and the most expensive is the iPhone 11 Pro. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone 11 Pro finished first and overall it scored the highest with over 460,000 points, followed by the Asus Rog Phone 2 by scoring over 405,000 points, and in third place the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus scoring over 360,000 points. As for the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone 11 Pro scored the highest for the CPU and GPU, followed by the Rog Phone 2 and then the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. For the UX, the Rog Phone 2 scored the highest, followed by the iPhone 11 Pro and then the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And finally for the memory, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus scored the highest thanks to the 12GB of RAM, and then the Rog Phone 2, and lastly the iPhone 11 Pro. So that wraps up for this Antutu benchmark comparison, and overall the iPhone 11 Pro is the winner. Now in terms of the pricing, it is the most expensive phone of the bunch. Now having said that, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus feature wise is a much better phone than the iPhone 11 Pro, but the iPhone 11 Pro does have the better camera and video. As for the Asus Rog Phone 2, it is an amazing phone. I mean, the camera is not up there with the other flagship phones. As for the Rog Phone 2, it is the cheapest of the bunch here. It will cost less than half the price of the other two if you are importing the 10-cent model, and the specs are amazing on this phone. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I will be getting the OnePlus 7T Pro and the Pixel 4 XL, and there will be comparison videos, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.